Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, all the brothers and sisters all over the world. I hope you guys are doing awesome, okay? So here I am from Dallas. I want to say my thanks, my greetings. So many people all over the world, and we are your well-wisher, suiting you as well. And then I came here to say you that many of you would like to know whether we have Muslim swimsuit or Muslim swimwear. Yes, we do have it. So all you need to do, you need to just go to our website and check it out that which Muslim clothes we have. We do produce hijabs. It can be any style like Qataris, like Saudis, like Abu Dhabis, or maybe Turkish or Algerian, whatever. So we have different types of styles on hijab, as well as the Muslim athletics, as well as the Muslim swimwear, and everything we have it. So for example, if you don't have any style that you see on our website, just contact with us, give us the design, give us the sketch, give us the measurement, and tell us when do you need that sample. We will make a sample for you and we'll ship it to you, okay? And then if you like it, you just continue for bulk production, okay? So you are working with the factory owner directly. There is no middleman here. You have the great opportunity to save money, to start your own branding, or start your clothing business, or whatever you want. So we are here. We want you to become successful, okay? And many of you would like to know whether we have different types of styles. As I said again, if you don't have it, contact with us. We'll make it for you. Any style, it doesn't matter. So all you need some kind of measurement, what you exactly want. We need to understand your requirement, and then we can make it for you. So that's what I'm saying, that first thing first, go to our website, check it whether you like it. We have some Muslim swimsuit over there, Muslim swimwear over there. We have some hijabs over there too on our website. Okay, if you don't like that, if you want something new, contact with us. We will make it for you. Many of you ask us, hey, I can't do the bulk production, but I might do maybe 500 pieces. That's fine. We can make it that kind of low quality for you too, though it depends on the cost and some other things. You have to calculate everything, and business means that you will win, we will win, both parties will be winning, okay? Now here I'm assuring you that any kind of dress that is compatible with your religion, with the Muslim religion or Christian religion, or maybe any other religions, it's okay. We can make it for you, okay? We can make it for you, or we already made it. So if it is pre-made, go to our website and find it, okay? We will ship it for you. Here is the process again. First, you need to go to the website, see whether you like it. If you like it, and contact with us, we will ship it 1 or 2 pieces, okay? You will pay for the shipping, you will pay for the sample, we'll ship it. If you like it, then you can buy finally. And it's a US based company. You are doing the transaction, everything to US, and then our factory in Bangladesh, they are shipping it to your door, okay? We have the partnership with USPS, DHL, and FedEx, and so many other courier service providers. You can do the partnership too, and you can tell us where we need to drop off, and we give us a tracking number. We'll drop that sample off there so that you can get it. So everything is possible, and again, there is no middleman. You are working with the factory owner directly, okay? Looking forward to working with all the brothers and sisters all over the world. We will help each other, okay? Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.